Hello and welcome to XYZ Textbooks. I'm Pat McKagan. I'm the owner of XYZ Textbooks. I want to give you a quick overview of the relationship between our print books, our ebooks, and our videos. So the first thing I want you to know is that all of our print books, the price to the student is always less than $100. And once we set the price on an edition of a book, we don't change it for the life of that edition. Our ebooks can be purchased for $40. A new print book includes access to all the ebooks. So if a student buys one of the print books, they already have access to the ebooks. Chapter 1 is free in all of our ebooks. As you'll see when we go to the website, it's a very video-intensive website, and then we're going to come back and show you how the QR codes in our print books connect the print books to the videos on the website. So I thought I'd show you a couple of our print books. Here's the Introductory Algebra book, one of the first books we published, sold to the student for $58 when it first came out. It still sells for $58. Or the student can buy just the ebook for $40. A nice Concepts with Applications series, kind of a workbook series of algebra books and basic mathematics, $68 to the student, or the ebook can be purchased for $40. Have a very nice college algebra book, a great book for students not going on to take engineering calculus. This book sells for $68 to the student or $40 for the ebook. And then finally, our brand new intermediate algebra book with co-author Mark Turner, the same co-author that's on my trigonometry book. This book sells for $98 to the student, or the student can buy the ebook for $40. So let me take you to the website now and show you what our ebooks look like. From the XYZ Textbooks website, I'll come down here and click on Full Catalog. What comes up is all the books that we publish here at XYZ Textbooks. I'm going to scroll down to that college algebra book. And when I roll the cursor over the cover of the college algebra book, if I go down to the bottom here, I can view the ebook. Now, Chapter 1 in all of our ebooks is free, so students can come to the website and look at Chapter 1 in any one of the books and not have to pay a cent. As you scroll down through the ebook, what you'll find is that it is word for word and page for page the same as the print book. So I'm going to scroll down here to, let's see, example 14. You notice next to the examples there is a little video icon in the margin. If I click on that,
we want to simplify.
Videos will come up of our peer instructors working that exact example. So I can watch Betsy do it. I could click on Logan.
In this example, we're asked to...
He'll come up and work the problem. I can click on Cynthia.
Hola, en este ejemplo vamos a...
And she'll work the problem in Spanish. Every example in every one of our textbooks is worked on video by a variety of instructors. It's really a video-intensive website. I'll go over here to Tools, and I'm going to click on that button. And what you'll see is a list of all the videos that accompany the examples in this particular section. And as you can see, there is just a lot of people on these videos. So here I can click on Betsy if I want. She'll come up and work that problem. I could click on Edwin. He'll work it in Spanish, or I can go over here to the textbook itself and scroll through and just click on the icon that's in the margin.
We are asked to simplify the following.
So you can see a very video-intensive website. Every example in every one of our books is worked on video by a variety of people. Let's go back to the TOC now, and I'm going to go back to the catalog. Let's take a look at the new intermediate algebra book we have. It's right here. Again, Chapter 1's free, so I'll open up the ebook. Okay, it looks like this. Let's go to the TOC, Chapter 1. I'm going to go down to Arithmetic with Real Numbers. You can see all the videos that accompany the examples in this section. And as I scroll down through the ebook itself, let's look at example number 2. I'll click on that icon.
In examples A through D,
There's Molly. I can click on Octavio.
Subtract.
And I can click on Cynthia.
Vamos a
Over on the right-hand column, if you want a quick look at all the examples in the book. You can just scroll down through here, and again, you can click on the person you want to see work the problem.
Here, we're going to simplify -5 times negative.
There's Anthony. Okay, now I want to go back to the print book for a second. Here's the intermediate algebra book we're looking at. We're in section 1.3, so you'll see that's that section in the print book. And if I look at the first example, and next to the first example in the ebook, next to the first example in the print book is a QR code. Students can scan this QR code with their smartphones or tablets, and all those videos that you just saw for this section will pop up on their smartphone. Let me show you. I've got my little smartphone right here. I'm going to take and scan that QR code with my QR code reader. And you'll see there's the videos, the same exact videos that you just saw on the website in that right-hand column. So students never need to be stuck on a problem in our books. If they're working in the print book, they can always go to the QR code, pick up the videos for that section, and watch them. Let's try one of these out. Let's look at Stephanie here.
We are asked to simplify the following expression.
And there's Stephanie working the problem that she's working just like she is on the website.
So following order of operations, we're going to do what.
So you can see that our print books, our ebooks, and our videos are all nicely connected. Whether students are working on the internet and looking at the ebook and trying out some videos, or whether they're looking at their print book and they're stuck on an example, they can scan that QR code and go right to the videos for that example. So that's a little quick look at how our print books, our ebooks, and our videos are connected on XYZ Textbooks.